A local police officer hoping to end the stigma around mental health for emergency responders.
WMBD's Annie Kate shows us the resources that a new nonprofit is making accessible right from your phone. Good morning, Annie.
Good morning, Shelby and Matt. Sean Montoni is a resident of Normal and a police officer in El Paso. For him and his wife, mental health hits very close to home. And now their new nonprofit, Silent Hero, is offering a platform to make first responders feel heard. Stress management, mindfulness, healthy habits can all help emergency first responders, but sometimes the weight of their position requires a different kind of help.
And know from the stigma from 25 years in law enforcement that this is an opportunity for fellow emergency workers to just have a peer-to-peer release.
Richard Chiarello was a police officer for 25 years.
There are certain things in this job that nobody should ever have to see or hear.
Richard's daughter Natalie and his son-in-law Sean came up with an idea to offer help to some of our most essential workers. Sean is a police officer in El Paso and was inspired by the struggles of his own grandfather to find a way to give back to his profession.
The stories he would tell me with him and his friends, kind of what they go through and the help that they get, just kind of, I don't know, it broke my heart in a way. We want a modern way of helping everyone, but keeping it private and anonymous.
Silent Hero lets first responders make a free account, log on, pick their profession, and share whatever it is they're feeling in anonymous forum. The ultimate goal of the organization, Silent Hero, is to prevent first responder suicide by giving them a social platform to connect with fellow first responders.
They want an open forum, but they want to be able to choose between, medical, veteran, police, or family.
The group's mobile app recently launched on Google Play. Natalie is a Silent Hero co-founder and understands the need for support for the families of first responders.
I knew the life. I knew what I was getting into, marrying a cop, and even still, I don't know what to say sometimes.
Natalie says she feels better knowing her husband will have Silent Hero as a resource as he continues his career in law enforcement. Now, the app is still pending on iOS, but should be available soon, and it is available now on Google Play. Natalie and Sean hope with more funding and community awareness, they can get counselors and life coaches on board to offer resources to first responders. The Silent Hero website and mobile app will be linked at ciproud.com. Back to you, Matt and Shelby.
All right, thank you, Annie, for that. A great story.